This is a 70 to 200 L f2.8 lens, Mark II, and as you can see, the seal rubber rim is in really bad shape, and we're gonna be replacing it today. The first step is gonna be removing these four screws from the mounting. Once the screws are removed, you can basically remove the mount. Very careful. And as you can see, the rubber ring can be easily removed, and all you have to do is place a new one. As you can see, the rubber ring was in really bad shape. Here is a new rubber ring. You can find them in eBay, among other sites. I paid around $20 for this ring. You have to consider that if you are going to send this lens to remove and replace the ring, it will cost you minimum $70 for the service, from $70 to $80 for the service, and then shipping in the ring, the lens, and paying for the shipping back. So it would be close to $100. So here is the ring already in place. The only thing you have to do is place the mounting ring back and pretty much put the screw backs, and that's all. So basically this is the last screw. Sorry, I'm trying to record the video while I'm working. But this is the last screw, and this is the end result. You can see the ring already in place and replace it. Thanks for watching this video.